For two events A and B, it is known that P of A is equal to 2/3, P of A union B is equal to 3/4, and P of A intersection B is equal to 5/12. Find P of B. Take solution. For us to answer this question, we are going to make use of the combined formula for calculating probability. The probability of A or B is simply equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. We are to find the probability of B. We are going to make probability of B the subject of formula by transferring P of A to the left and negative P of A intersection B to the left. So this will give us P of A union B minus P of A plus P of A intersection B, and this will be equal to P of B. This will give us P of B to be equal to, inserting their numerical values, we have P of A union B as 3/4 minus P of A, which is 2/3, plus P of A intersection B, which is 5/12. This will simply be equal to, next we have to find the LCM of their denominators, that is 4, 3 and 12. The LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, times 3 gives us 9, minus 12 divided by 3 gives us 4, times 2, 8, plus 12 divided by 12 gives us 1, times 5 is 5. This will simply be equal to 9 minus 8 gives us 1, plus 5 gives us 6 on 12. 6 on 12 is simply equal to 1 all over 2, which is a half. Therefore, the probability of B is simply equal to a half. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.